Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of the Mommy Club. So guys, we know that last week Mrs. J invited the ladies to an event of hers. So this week the ladies are preparing, they're going to Mrs. J's event. So unokuzana angithi normally on these trips people travel together. So Rosetti, okay, I thought Rosetti was not gonna come to the trip because it's not common for a friend of the show to be on a trip. But listen, the production team knew what they were doing when they made sure ukuthi Rosette is going on the trip. So Rosette benomngani wakhe uNoxie are traveling together, and apparently they were supposed to travel with Mrs. Sunday to Mpumalanga. Mrs. Sunday is basically like, she says, no, I can't travel with you guys. It's going to be too crowded, blah, blah. Basically being two-faced and making it seeming like it's too crowded. Whereas Gashe, she doesn't want to be there because apparently Noxie was giving her a cold shoulder at the last event. I'm like, aye, Quintanjano, even if she was giving you a cold shoulder, I just feel like Mrs. Sunday is just mad. This season, no one really likes Mrs. Sunday, guys. Yes, because she tags along with everyone. She doesn't have one person that is really for her, who has her back, and someone who she can be nasty with. So I just feel that might be the reasons why we're getting a bit of low vibes or offish vibes coming from Mrs. Sunday, because she's one this season and people are seeing her for who she really is. Okay, fine. Uvui, on the other hand, she's supposed to travel with her bestie Uhappy. So as they driving to Uhappy's place, she's calling Happy to tell her, Uti Mama, I'm on my way. Like, are you ready? Uhappy tells her, Uti, hey, Askismgani, I'm not gonna make it to the trip because I'm not feeling well. Yeah. When I heard that, you guys, I was so happy. I was so happy that Uhappy could not make it for the event, because I'm just like, I've been waiting for this moment for Uvui to be one man and see how is she going to act. Because I just feel like she's always tagging along with Uhappy, and it just, like, there's just something that annoys me about, like, someone who can't stand for them, like Mrs. Sunday. So I was like, Uvui, what is she going to be like? Because every time Uhappy is there, she feels like Uhappy is a back or something. I don't know, but I was just happy about that. Fine. Uvuyi finds out ukuthi uLokhuzana can't be with her, or Happy's not going, and then Uvuyi decides ukuthi, I don't know if she decided or it was decided, that she's going to then travel with Upelati. Now Happy says ukuthi the reason why she can't go, guys, is because she's not feeling well. The previous day when she went to go and do her hair, I guess for the trip, she had an anxiety attack where she was crying and whatnot. And at this point, guys, I don't want to seem as if I'm being somehow, but I really need Uhappy to take care of her health. I need Uhappy to take care of her health, because I just feel like there's too many instances when it's the second time, and it's close to one another, guys, where she's been admitted into the hospital. The second time, this time around, they wanted to admit her for 21 days, but Uhappy refused, so she's on bed rest. Right? And then she's still saying to Uvuyi, which, maybe Ksasa, I will see if I can make it. I'm like, this woman's not serious about her health. No, she's not. What do you mean maybe? Because even if you are feeling a bit better the next day, you are supposed to be booked for 21 days. So why can't you just give yourself a full week of just resting? I just feel like Uhappy doesn't prioritize her health. When she's not feeling well, she'll take that day to rest. The moment she's feeling well, she's ready to be out and about. And I'm just like, besides even the maybe reality TV, let's just talk about that. Maybe she even just needs to take a season off and just rest, you guys. Besides the reality TV, there's always rumors or gossips going on about her. It's drama. I'm just like, Happy, I really need you to prioritize your health, because if you know what they say, guys, if you don't listen to your body is going to force you to listen to it, and it's not going to be a nice thing. The Pilates situation getting inhlekisile, because remember, Uvuyi now thinks she's going to travel with Upelati. So she gets to Upelati's place, she's waiting for Upelati. Manje, Mrs. Sunday calls she calls the host, which is Mrs. J, and tells her, listen, I'm not comfortable with Unoxi and her friend cannot travel with someone else. Kanti figure to Peladi's place, she's going into the same situation where she's going to be crowded with other women. So to show ukuthi the crowdedness was not a problem, she's busy telling Abo Peladi, or she's busy telling Uvuyi ukuthi I was not informed ukuthi Ulokuzana Knox is coming with a +1, so I was just not comfortable with that and whatnot. I'm just like, oh please, whatever. Anyway, they traveled, the three of them, fine. When they get to the place in Mpumalanga, guys, the place is gorgeous. Mrs. J got a good eye for things, according to me, even her fashion sense. So I didn't expect her to get a indawo that is below what I think is her standard. Fine, the place was nice, but guys, the vibe of the night, it was so off. The vibe was so off and it was so flat. Now, Mrs. J, what she did, guys, in each and every person's room, there was a gift, a box that had makeup and a box that had PJs, right? She told Unokuzana, Unoxi and her friend Rosette got to the event before the other ladies. She told them that they are supposed to wear the pajamas coming to the pajama party that they were going to have later on. Now, I don't know the other three ladies who came later on if they were informed about that, but it doesn't seem like they were informed about that. But I just felt, I know other people were like, no, it's rude to come to a person's event and not wear the PJs. If they were told, if the three ladies, which is Mrs. Sunday, Peladi, and Vui, if they were told to wear them and they still didn't wear it, then yeah, that's disrespectful. But I just didn't like the fact that everyone's wearing the same type of pajamas. I'm like, we're not high school children here. Why should we be wearing the same thing? And Mrs. J did the same thing in that previous event of hers. It was not really an event where they went to go and cook for the children in the orphanage. She wanted everyone to be wearing t-shirts, and I'm just like, Mrs. J, like, please. Anyway, guys, you could see what's in the three, which is Uvuyi, Upeladi, and Mrs. Sunday. Their mood was just offish. It was just offish, you guys, and I was just like, what are these ladies doing here if they feel like they don't want to be here? The only person I will excuse to act offish is Upeladi, because Upeladi, obviously, the words that were said to her last week were not nice. The rest, like Uvuyi, the only reason she's upset there is because umganakhe akekho to back her up. Anyway, they decide, Mrs. J says, okay, fine, guys, I want us to kind of read a note or to write a note. You can, to someone, it either can be nice words or something that you want to address or something like that. Fine. Mrs. Sunday then asks a question to Mrs. J about the comment that Mrs. J made about them being intoxicated or under the influence. But when Mrs. Sunday asks her, she says to Mrs. J, ukuthi wena usibize is dawa. And personally, you have never seen me drunk. You've never bought me ispuzo, that's alcoholic. So I didn't appreciate being called a drunkard. Yeah. Mrs. J, one thing about her, guys, uyayazi indaba yakhe. Because tell me why she quoted her words exactly, because production replayed the scene and Mrs. J quoted her words exactly for what she said. She's like, I didn't use the word drunkards. But anyway, I still felt like as a host, the way Mrs. J answered that, because you could tell she was offended and she was defending herself. As a host, you want people to feel comfortable, right? You want people to feel like if anything's going to happen here, I'm not going to take sides. Everyone's going to feel safe. But I just feel like that question just puts Mrs. J off. And obviously, going forth, I didn't feel like Mrs. Sunday was going to be comfortable in saying anything else after the way Mrs. J answered that question. So I was just like, I didn't appreciate the way Mrs. J answered that question. And I just feel like it made things even much more awkward. Fine. Mrs. J goes on, she's like, hey, Mina, guys, fine. I have a letter to read to you guys. She opens a book. She reads that note. She's like, thank you. I'd like to thank this friendship or this group for reminding me that I don't need friends. I'm just like, that letter was so petty, guys. I just loved. She was kind of saying, which like, I don't need friends, like kind of to say like, ningibonisile ukuthi vele abangani banjani, and I'm right, right, ngingenabangani, because if this what friendship is, I don't want it. I was just like, Mrs. J, no, ma'am. No, man, that is just not the way we approach things. Like, what was the aim of this event? That's my question, because I just feel like Mrs. J was not there to try and make any people feel comfortable or anything like that. She was there to, angazi really, what was she there for? But anyway, Mrs. J then also assessed to Mrs. Sunday. Mrs. Sunday, one thing I want to tell you, which wena uthanda ukuhamba ngomoya. When the one blows the side, you go that side. When the one blows the other side, you go that side. So all I want to tell you is learn to stand up for indaba yakho. I loved you guys, but listen, Mrs. J did not lie. She did not lie, and everyone laughed because they knew ukuthi it's true. Ukuthi Mrs. Sunday, she doesn't stand for everything. She falls for everything. Next day, Rosette decides ukuthi she wants to play a game, and she's kind of trying to introduce the game to the group. Yes, Rosette, she is a bit paparich. Like, Rosette doesn't even behave as if she's a cast member. She behaves ngathi she's a main member there, and I don't know why people keep, making comments on the side. Ingati Rosette should know her place just because she's not a cast member. I'm like, not being a cast member doesn't mean which you mustn't have an opinion. But anyway, what was that her game? I was just like, I wonder how this game's gonna go. But anyway, now when she's introducing the game, the other three ladies, or at least the two ladies, Upeladi, Novuyi, are acting off-ish. As I'm saying, Upeladi, I feel like I understand it. Upeladi didn't want to come to this trip. Happy is the one who forced her to come to this trip. So even Happy not being there and not telling Upeladi, it was somehow. But Uvuyi, what was making her act offish? Because she's taking someone else's beef. Angahlangene naye. So why was she acting offish? Upeladi is there on her phone. Uvuyi is busy zoning out. So Rosette then asked Huti, like, what are you having a conversation about? Because Upeladi then asked Uvuyi, did you even hear what's been said? Are you here? Vuyi's like, no, I'm not here. I'm lost in thoughts. Rosette is like, why are you here if you're lost in thoughts? Vuyi's like, no, I'm thinking about my children. I'm thinking about my business. Rosette said, wait a minute. Why are you telling us that? Because sonke sine ingane lana, sonke we have businesses. It's not like, so why are you coming to X Special? Why be in a place where you're not going to participate? And I agree, guys. If you've ever been in that environment, ayikho boraye jongo muntu that is there, decided to be there, but wants to act offish now. Tina Melisnangen, and now why are you not fine? Why are you not play? You are grown up for that. So Vuyi dinile shame. And listen, Rosette came for her. Rosette came for Uvuyi. Uvuyi there in her diary sessions, the way she's busy commenting, she's commenting as if she put Rosette in her place. I'm just like, just keep quiet, mama, and sit down, because Rosette put you nicely in your place. Anyway, it ended up being a thing now where Rosette and Uvuyi are just going at one another, and Mrs. J is sitting there laughing. Nah, guys. As a host, even though in your heart you want to laugh, just don't do it. She's sitting there laughing. Uvuyi even said, oh, Mrs. J, you're wrong. This is not funny. Mrs. J is busy laughing, Lapayan. So anyway, Rosette's like, no, if you don't want to be here, leave. So Upeladi and Uvuyi end up getting up. They leave. Upeladi and Rosette end up changing up, switching or exchanging words. If you, Upeladi is busy saying, yeah, you want to come control us and whatnot, and they leave. Now Upeladi was like, listen, I'm leaving for tonight. Like, I'm not going to stay in this place. You know what's the funny thing, guys? Is that Upeladi, when she was busy bullying Unoxi stayed at that event, even though the host of that event, which was Happy, was not standing up for her, but she stayed throughout. Yeah, no penalty. One day, nyana. I'm not gonna even say it's a full day. One night, nyana. She can't stand it. So it was nice when you guys were ganging up on Unoxi, and Noxi literally had no one on her back. Now when Rosette is coming for you guys, and addressing you guys one by one. All of a sudden, you guys can't stand the heat. Aibo, and men kancane ke. So anyway, now Ujabu, which is Mrs. Sunday, she's quiet, she's sitting there. And you can see Uguti, she doesn't know what to do now. The thing is, the statement Siga Mrs. J is now going to be tested. Is Mrs. Sunday going to get up and leave with the two ladies she came with, or is she going to sit down? Now, obviously, she didn't want to make things seem awkward. She sat down with the ladies, and Uvui in the car with Upeladi, she's like, I want to know why Mrs. Sunday, why she's staying behind. Like, why? I'm like, Aibo, why Mrs. Sunday? Why should Mrs. Sunday come and follow you guys for what? Why should they automatically be alliances here for what? While I'm still speaking too soon, the next morning, Peladi had obviously left. She left the pajamas, but she took the makeup box. I'm just like, I'm judging you, girl. Why did you take the makeup box? Why didn't you leave both of those boxes if you want nothing to do with Mrs. J? Anyway, Mrs. Sunday notices that Peladi's gone because she comes to Peladi's room. Peladi's not there. Uvui didn't end up leaving. So Uvui and Mrs. Sunday are having breakfast la payana, and Mrs. Sunday then starts again in Dabayake. No, Rosette still wanted us to play a game. Mina into ngiyibonayo ukuthi like this whole thing of the game, it was not really a game. It was just to address issues indirectly. I'm just like, nah, bubu mene that they were talking about. Why didn't you say anything today? You were hanging out with Uvui and you saying all of these things. Fine. So as they're having breakfast, lapayana, busy talking, next thing kungene bani. Happy arrives, guys. She arrives while Uvui and Mrs. Sunday are having their breakfast, and they are so happy, you guys. And I'm like, this is exactly what I was talking about. What is Happy doing here? What is she doing here? Because she said she's not well. She's just here for what, guys? For reality TV? Man, no, I don't appreciate that. But anyway, she gets there and the girls are happy because I mean, these two are about to gain a voice now that Happy's young. And Uvui says, Peladi earlier on said Mrs. Sunday is afraid of Happy. If Happy was around, this whole thing would have not happened or the events would have turned out differently. I'm like, one thing about Mrs. J. Shame, arasabi muntu. She told Happy to her face, Mawena, you're a gossiper. She's not afraid of anyone. Mrs. J, no ways. So anyway, Happy gets to hear Utaba, Uti, hey, Upeladi left. She's feeling guilty. And then Mrs. Sunday goes on to tell her Uti Pela. Unoxi came here with her friend Rosetti, and Rosetti was asking about you in a snacks way. There Happy is busy saying Uti Velindabayeta Pelanga. I'm here to continue watching. I'm just like, this is exactly what I was talking about. You're not well. You're supposed to be home in bed. You come to this event knowing very well Uguti, there's always something happening with these ladies. Now you hear something's been said about you by Rosette. You're ready to fight, yet you're not well. Hi man, when you're not well, guys, you must choose the battles you get to fight. You can't be every battle you want to fight. But anyway, I'm here for this, and I really hope that's the only person I'm waiting for to be put in their place is Happy. I really hope Rosette puts Happy in her place because I'm just like, I've been waiting for someone who's going to be able to do this because I don't know if Happy, I don't know, she thinks she's the ringleader of this group or she's untouchable or something like that. But Rosette, please. Rosetta, I'm trusting you to do the things that need to be done. But I just have a feeling by the time this trip ends, shame, people are just not going to be getting along. Even worse, Mrs. J did say Uguti, she gave off vibes Uguti, she's not going to come back to this group of ladies. But listen, even if she doesn't come back to for the next season, Oksalayo, she would have told some people straight to their face, Uguti, she would have put them in their places. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.